bathroom is really just not cute. It just does not go with the aesthetic of the rest of my room. I never really tried decorating it. I just kind of like have a bunch of things in there. It's like this bright turquoise color. There's like fuchsia pink on the walls and the towels. There's products everywhere. I have like stuffed animals in there, random things. It's just kind of a mess, and it's been annoying me for a while. So I figured now that I have enough time, I would try to give it a little bit of a makeover. However, I'm a college student, so I'm not actually living in my house the entire year. I'm just here for like breaks and stuff, and obviously Corona. So I don't want to spend a lot of money. I give myself a budget of $150. If I could spend less, that would be perfect, but no more than $150. And I wanted to try to be as resourceful as possible and use as many things that I could find around my house and my room that I already have as I can. So a little bit of a challenge, but I think I can do it. So let's go. Okay, so first things first, we need to paint my bathroom because this turquoise color is just not working, and I want to get a clean slate, so we're just going to paint it white. The first thing we did was just take off all things on the walls and then basically just like clear everything out of my bathroom, and then we taped everything. Luckily there's not actually too much wall space in my bathroom. A lot of it's tile, so it didn't take too long. And then it turns out we already had some white paint, which was obviously $0, which was great for the budget. Unfortunately though, we did not have any primer, so we kind of just had to go in and hope it would cover the turquoise. It ended up taking, I think, like 3 coats, so a lot of painting, but definitely worth it, especially considering it was free. Okay, I just finished the second coat of paint over here. It's looking pretty good. We're definitely gonna have to do 3 coats though, because you can still kind of see like the turquoise coming through. Luckily, we're definitely gonna get done tomorrow, so under 2 days, it's pretty good. There's like a couple mishaps on the counter over here, but you know, what are you gonna do? Day 2 of painting, guys. This is where we're at right now. We can't decide if we need to go over some spots again because it, like, there. I feel like we see, like, I can see blue there, but it's so subtle. Also, we almost forgot to paint this, but I remembered. Basically the part I've been waiting for this whole time. It's so satisfying. Day number 3, guys, of redoing my bathroom. It is an organizing and put things back kind of day. We also have to put all the fixtures back on the walls, and then I'm gonna organize everything that I already have. So like all the stuff in the drawers, I'm gonna reorganize that, put everything back that I wanna keep, and then figure out what I need to buy. And then next day, we can start decorating. So the first thing we did was replace all the light bulbs above my mirror with ones that all matched because they were all mismatched before, and I used the same lights I used for filming, so they were very fluorescent and very good for like doing makeup and stuff. And then we put everything back on the walls. Well, my sister did, because I don't think I'm qualified for that, honestly. This is so annoying. This is where we're at right now. Everything is very white, it's very clean. The lights are really bright. It's actually kind of giving me a headache, so I might just take out like the 2 on the ends. But yeah, now I need to deal with all of this. Here is the drawer situation. It's really not bad. I cleaned them a couple months ago, or like a year ago, I guess, so they're still relatively clean. They just need some slight organizing. Also, all my towels under here, and then under my sink, just like a bunch of random stuff that needs to be organized. I didn't really do much in terms of organizing here because it honestly wasn't that bad. I just threw out all the things I wasn't using and then made sure everything had a place. I also got some little mason jars to put some things in, and basically just a little bit of a clean out. Not too intense, but it definitely helps with the mess. Okay, definitely a huge improvement here. Much cleaner. Got a whole empty drawer here. And yeah, just much better. I mostly kept it the same under my sink. I don't love that, like, it doesn't look good, but it's organized at least. Brush and toothpaste back up here along with this little mason jar with some floss, my little cactus, and then I found this cute little dishcloth, washcloth kind of thing I could put there because it matches the carpet a lot better. So once everything was all organized, I devised a little plan for what I wanted to do with my bathroom. So basically, I decided I wanted to put 2 shelves above my toilet with some little knickknacks on them. And then instead of buying a new trash can, I figured I could just paint my old one gold and it would probably match pretty well. I also figured the fuchsia towels probably had to go, so I was going to buy 2 light pink towels to match. And then since this wall up here is pretty blank, I wanted to get some wall art, so I'm going to buy some frames and put some little prints in them. And then maybe get a little plant to put in this corner over here. I also want to get some kind of cute little soap dispenser to match my bathroom. And then I'll just use the same over the door hanger I had before for my robe and shower cap. It has now been like 2 days. I ordered everything I wanted to put in my bathroom. It all came really fast too, so I didn't actually have to leave the house to get anything. So I got stuff on Target and Amazon, great places for cheap decor and stuff. And I believe I spent like $130-ish in total. And because the paint was free, that's literally all it's gonna cost me to completely redo my bathroom. So we're definitely on budget here. I was trying to spend under $150. I think we'll definitely be good with that. So starting off with Amazon, I got 6 of these plain wooden picture frames. They're 8x10, and this pack of 6 was $27.99. So pretty good deal. I think I'm gonna end up spray painting these gold. I also got this fake pampas grass that I'm gonna put in this vase once I spray paint it. Also gonna spray paint this gold, I think, and then just have this in there. The pampas grass was $13, by the way. And then I also got this gold spray paint for about $6. Now for Target, I got 2 of these shelves. I'm gonna put these above my toilet, and they were $23 each, a little bit pricey. I found cheaper ones on Amazon, but they were back ordered, so had to go with these. Still in budget though, so it's fine. I got 2. I also got this little $10 plant. I love plants, so I'm gonna put that probably on the shelves, I'm thinking. I also got this $8 soap dispenser. And finally, I got 2 light pink bath towels that were $7 each, so 14 total. So that's everything I got. Now I gotta get started with the spray painting. Okay, here is everything we're spray painting. Got a lot of blue going on here, but it's gonna be gone soon. It reminds me of my DIY days. So here is the finished spray painted stuff. I think like this stuff over here looks good, except the trash can's not looking great. Just like some parts here that got a little bit messed up. So I think I'm actually gonna go ahead and just buy a new trash can. I still have like $20 left in the budget, so I think it'll be worth it. It just looks like kind of trashy for a trash can. Okay, this one here can literally be here by tomorrow, so I'm gonna get that one. Once the whole trash can situation was figured out, I just printed out these little prints I found online, literally on regular paper on my printer, and then I put them in the frames I painted. Can't even really tell they were just like printer pictures. Like they look like I bought prints, honestly. The only thing is there's a little bit of like chipping along the edge of the frames. I don't know why that happened. Maybe I didn't let it dry enough. I'm just gonna go with it. I don't hate it. It still works.
The first 2 are gonna be good. The second one looks a little bit low, and then the third one looks a little bit high.
They're so uneven. So after we realized our mistake, we had to take all the nails out and redo them so they could be even. Honestly, they still weren't totally even. I think we just did a really bad job with this and probably spent way too long on it, but you know, good enough. Shout out to Bryn for doing all the hammering. I think Dad should do it. For the shelves, we enlisted my dad because unlike picture frames, the shelves actually did need to be level or it would be really bad. So he got his power tools out, did an amazing job. I have some super level shelves now above my toilet. And once those were all up, I put everything on the shelves that I painted and got together to decorate my bathroom, and everything started to come together pretty well. The next day, my trash can came and I was finally able to complete my bathroom makeover. It was a little smaller than I thought it would be, but honestly, still worked out pretty well and looked super cute. So this is the finished bathroom. I'm so excited with how it turned out. I think it's just a lot more sophisticated looking. I don't think I'll get tired of it once I get older. And it just like overall matches the aesthetic of my room a lot more and like, you know, works better with my room. And of course in quarantine, I've been a little bit bored. So this was a great activity to pass the time. And I didn't even spend that much money. Only like, I think $140 total to completely redo my bathroom. Pretty good. a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below. I post new videos every single Saturday. And if you want to see more videos like this, I also have a closet slash room that needs a big clean out. So if you want to see a video on that, let me know in the comments. Also, be sure to follow me on Instagram and TikTok. They're both at Ella_Elbells. So go ahead and follow me both of those, and I will see you guys soon. Bye!